Right now, someone could be controlling your decisions without you even realizing it. From the ads you scroll past, to the colors in a shop, even the way a question is asked, your brain is being hacked. Today, I'll reveal 7 psychological tricks used by marketers, politicians, and even your friends. Tricks so powerful, once you know them, you'll start seeing them everywhere. Psychology isn't just in textbooks, it's in your daily life. These tricks influence how you think, shop, and act, and once you learn them, you'll never look at the world the same way again. The first trick is called the anchoring effect. When you see something expensive first, everything else looks cheap in comparison. Stores put a $2,000 TV next to a $900 one. Suddenly, $900 feels like a deal, even if it's overpriced. The second trick is scarcity and FOMO. Ever seen only 2 left in stock? Or offer ends in 3 hours? Scarcity makes your brain panic. You rush to buy, not because you need it, but because you don't want to miss out. The third trick is called the foot in the door technique. Someone asks for something small, you agree. Then they ask for more. By saying yes once, your brain wants to stay consistent. So you say yes again. The fourth is priming. What you see or hear right before making a decision influences it. That's why supermarkets play calm music. You stay longer and spend more. The fifth trick is social proof. Why do you check reviews before buying? Or laugh more when others laugh? Humans copy other humans. That's why brands use bestseller tags or influencers to push products. The sixth trick is the contrast principle. Show people a bad option first, and the second one looks amazing. That's why restaurants put one ridiculously overpriced dish on the menu, to make the rest look reasonable. The seventh is the framing effect. The way something is presented changes your choice. 90% fat-free sounds healthier than 10% fat. But they're the same. Words frame reality. These 7 tricks are everywhere, in ads, sales, politics, even in daily conversations. Now that you know them, you'll start spotting them, and maybe even using them yourself. If you found this eye-opening, hit that like button, share this video with a friend, and subscribe for more mind-blowing breakdowns. Because the more you know these tricks, the less they control you.